construct. Let me explain it to you. What's an effective communication? Your effective communication is your energy. If you do not maintain your energy up to this level, it should be at high level. It should not be at this level. If you speak with people like this, they will not understand. But if you speak with the energy, if you have got the energy, people say, sir, why do you speak this much fast? So I say, I speak fast, but every single word which I use, there's a clarity. I do not eat the words. Every single word which I remember, which I deliver, so you people understand. But problem what occurs when we people do not know about that word, or we have not heard, or we don't have the habit of listening to the people, 100% we get overwhelmed. At the moment आप जब overwhelmed हो जाते हैं तो energy आप लोग की down होती है, सामने वाले की नहीं होती. People say, why you are at this energy? I say, why you are this much energy? This is the craft which God has gifted you. This is the craft. I was gifted this craft. I am to make the masterpiece out of this craft. So I am making the masterpiece out of my craft through my energy. You know, my daughter had been bedridden or had been hospitalized, and she had been over there for 6 days. I should give you the example. What was the example? First, getting up at dawn, I was studying. Second, I'm giving an example what I did in 7 days. Second, my home is being constructed. Second floor and third floor. I just watered that. Though it's a work of the labor, but I do take care of the thing where I invest. Third, I just taught all the batches. I took all the sessions. I taught all the students, 7 batches. 7 batches, that means 6 batches. Mine are institutes, batches, and 1 4 to 5 that KDK college online, where hundreds of students were attending this session. Today also there is a 1 session again. Fourth, taking the food, living with my daughter, with my wife at hospital, and I was taking care of them. Fifth, talking with the quarries. Sixth, managing the doctors and nurses. This is called the energy. You have to maintain the energy. Look at the example. And now how I would have procrastinated if I had wanted. अगर मैं चाहता तो मैं बहाने मार सकता था. My daughter is hospitalized. I will not take the batches. बीच में सीनियर बैच के 2 बैचेस मैंने टीम को शिफ्ट किए. उन्होंने छुट्टी कर दी. But I didn't say. I thought, okay, fine, let it go. So I do manage everything. My books are being sold. My batches are going on. Congratulations. Offline, I started and 50 plus students I got within 1 month. Within a month, 32, 15, 18 or 15, 33 plus 25. Yes, near about 60 students I got. Are you getting? No demo. I do not believe in demo because I believe in my energy. If you are going somewhere out and if you are not taking the benefit out of that thing where you are investing, you are not using your energy. They are using their brain. Then connection. If you have got the energy, you need to connect with the people. If you are unable to connect, there's always lack of communication. Tushar said that greeting comes through connection. But you should have energy to say happy morning. You should have an energy to say happy evening. Bye-bye, take care. It was really nice catching up with you all, guys. Good to see you. Great to see you. I'm so great. What are you up to? You all are supposed to use these sorts of things. That's called the connection. If you don't have the energy, then you are not going to connect with the people. If you're not going to connect with the people, what you're speaking that does not relate to you, how could it relate to others? If I'm teaching you, if this thing is not relating to me, how could it relate to you? ये आपसे भी मैच नहीं करेगी. आपका कनेक्शन आपके साथ नहीं है, तो आपके वर्ड्स का कनेक्शन लोगों के साथ कैसे होगा? मैं ये जो बोल रहा हूं ना, ये मेरा कनेक्शन है हमेशा. ये एनर्जी हमेशा रहेगी. आई होप सो. मेरे पास कोई है 2000